honestly, I thought I'd be coming back to you from the boat in Alaska by this point. Well, for an update, I really don't know what's going on. I've been back in Washington recovering from my operation for about 3 weeks now. I was under the impression it was going to be 2 weeks and then I'd be back on a plane heading back to the job. And after the 2 weeks, they're just kind of don't know what they want to do with me, I guess. I had my doctor's appointment in Seattle to have me approved to go back to work unrestrained, and they're just not, I don't know what they want to do. I called a couple days ago and it seemed like it was news to them that I wanted to go back, so I don't even know if I have a job or what's going on. So I'm a little frustrated. It's been challenging just being in limbo all week, actually the last couple weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna hop in the van and go find a place to camp and just try to enjoy myself and let go of some of the stress. Let nature do its work, see what we can find. It is a clear, blue sky, sunny day here in Washington. So I need to take advantage of this, get out there, see what I can find. The adventure continues. See what this looks like up here, guys. Hey, on a little side here. Level out a little bit. Oh, that's about perfect. Let's check it out. All right, so I think I've settled on a spot here. I'm definitely going to stay here. There have been quite a few vehicles with campers that have come in up this road, so I'm assuming it's getting a little tight for spots here. So still probably going to pull the trail bike off and do a little exploring up the road just to see what is here and how far this road goes. Absolutely no cell service out here up in this canyon between two big mountains. It is absolutely beautiful. Be nice to get down to the river as well. This is my little spot here up off the road. This hillside of just solid trees all around me. Look at that. Well, I did take the trail bike out to do some exploring. I found a different spot here. I'm on the other side of the road. The creek, the river is running right down here. I think it's a pretty good hike down there. I don't know if there's a path winding down through here or not. Definitely hear the sound of the creek. You can see it down through there. And I'm perched right up here. Love this spot. Got a little fire ring here. Someone left some frying pans behind. I might trash those when I leave. They do not look usable. Yeah, there's a little bit of firewood left behind. I got it in the sun drying out a little bit there. And I am right next to the road, but I'm far enough away. There's not a lot of traffic, or there hasn't been here anyway. The spot I was in is just down the road on the left here a little bit. The road does dead end up, geez, probably only a mile or two. There's a few more spots all occupied. So really this spot where I'm at here and the other one where I just was were really the only available spots. So kind of feel lucky that I snagged it. Stay here tonight, possibly maybe another night. About 5 miles out from having cell service, so I may run down tomorrow morning, check my messages, and go from there. It's good to be back out here, man. It feels so good. It is beautiful out here in the forest in Washington. The moss on all these trees. Wild. Well, here it is, grilled steak tacos out here in the forest.
Oh yeah.
Well, we are waking up to a beautiful morning here in the Olympic National Forest here in Washington State. It's been just beautiful here. I actually stayed a second night last night. Got some good news yesterday morning that prompted me to stay another night. There is no cell service here. I had to ride out about 10 miles to get in cell range to check my voicemails. I wanted to see if I had any updates on my job, if I could get back up to Alaska to finish this job up after my appendix surgery. And good news, there was a voicemail waiting for me with flight info. I'm flying back up there this coming Thursday in a few more days, so I'm really excited about that. This job really means a lot to me. I really wanted to be able to finish this job out. So to be able to overcome this appendicitis, have the surgery, have my appendix removed, be able to recover, and get back up there to complete the job really means a lot to me. And actually fishing has not opened yet, so I should get up there before actual fishing opening. So I really just missed out on getting the prep work done on the boat. So it looks like I'm going to be able to finish out the job. So excited. So I'm going to ride the trail bike out one more time this morning. I may stay another day here. I want to check my messages one more time, see if there's any other updates, make a couple other phone calls, and update some friends and family. And yeah, if this weather holds, I'm going to try to get out and do some hiking. There are quite a few good trails around here. So I think I'm going to try to get out, take advantage of that, and enjoy the rest of this weekend here.